In this short video, we'll explore one of the biggest reasons you may not be getting seen by your potential audience looking for your particular content. One of those reasons includes making sure your channel is verified. Simply head to the top and put in youtube.com/verify. If you're good, you'll see an indication your phone number has been verified. You also want to make sure everything looks good on the back end. Just head to the YouTube studio and head to the far left where your settings are. Click on Settings. Now click on Channel. You should see 3 different prompts for feature eligibility. If they say enabled on all 3, you're good. If not, you will have to fix it right away to make sure they are enabled. If you're still watching, be sure to leave us a comment of your biggest challenge having a YouTube channel. Okay, the last part of this video may seem obvious, but most will neglect this part. While still in the settings, be sure to fill out the basic info part. This is the section that will tell YouTube what your channel's about. So here you can use words as well as phrases. Now that you've got a better idea of how to optimize your channel and start seeing the difference. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.